Hi there, I'm DJ Sangera. This is a quick overview of InsightLab Cancellation Flows. So the first thing we need to do is create a cancellation flow using the builder over here. So you can upload your company logo, you can define the style guidelines, and align it with your brand's aesthetic. Next, we have our questions. So these are the questions that the cancellation flow will ask customers on their way out. It's really important that we ask these at the time of leaving so that we can capture the most insights. And one of the things that we do is allow for dynamic follow-up questions. So this is where the AI can ask a relevant follow-up question and dig a little bit deeper into what customers are saying. What we found in the past is that customers will often start with a very succinct, quick answer, but then the follow-up cracks the conversation open and we get more insight as to why they're leaving. So next we can add some details about the app itself. And so this is really important. You can upload a PDF or a description of the app and how to use it. And this helps de-escalate cancellations because, if customers are asking about a feature or canceling because they're having a challenge with your app, this is where we can provide some additional information to help guide them how to use the app and de-escalate the cancellation. So next is the installation steps for your development team. One of the things here to note is that we can reference every cancellation flow or offboarding survey with a customer or user ID as well, so that you can cross-reference that afterwards. So here over on the right-hand panel, we have a demo for our builder, and I'll just put in some dummy questions here. I couldn't upload a PDF. So here you can see that the answer based off of our app education section is coming up. And then, we're still allowing the person to cancel if they would like to cancel. So I'll say, yes, I'd like to still cancel. And we'll continue on with the survey and ask the relevant questions that you've defined in the question section. So I'll say it was a major factor. Too high. And now you can see here that the system is offering both a cancel button or a redeem offer button, again, to help defer cancellation and offer an alternative than just raw cancellation. So that's the demo. And when users actually fill out the cancellation form, the answers show up here in the data section. And one of the things that you can do is query any of the cancellation flows here with generic questions, natural language questions that will pull up relevant answers from every cancellation or the selected cancellations that you define. And it will provide references as well as to where that answer came from and who it relates to. So the other thing that you can do is put this analysis on autopilot with scheduled analysis. So here I've already created a cancellation flow analysis. We can create another one here if we'd like to. So you select offboarding flows. We want to extract main themes, and we'd like to run a custom query like, what are the main reasons for cancellation? Leave that. And next we can define the schedule. So how often we'll be running this analysis. So here we've got it set to Monday every 9 a.m. And then we can define where the PDF report gets sent to. We'll name the pipeline as well. Great, so every week now we'll get a custom PDF with all the latest cancellations and a report of cancellations and the reasons why in your email.